Oh, hey there. I'm Bree True, your curly hair expert, and today I'm going to show you how
That's nice. I'm just going to take over now. I am Bree True. This is my ridiculous hubby. You can come back in. I am going to be working with him on today's video because we're going to try to show you the curly hair basics by trying to do it on this straight hair, which is probably going to fail. But
And I'm going to show Bree how my hair routine works as well.
It's like one step.
It's not one step, it's like 3 steps.
Alright guys, so this is how we woke up today. This is my day bazillionth hair. We were both in need of a wash, and I think we're going to start with him. I'm just going to tell him what to do and see how that part of it goes. Styling's going to be the funniest part, but...
Oh, for both of us.
Oh, I'm scared now. I thought it was going to be easy.
It's not.
Alright, so we just got his hair wet, and then the first product that we're going to put in is the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk shampoo. I don't want to really necessarily use a buildup buster or any sort of clarifier on his hair because he sulfate shampoos it every day. Because he's a guy.
I do.
With straight hair.
Yes, I don't know what most of those words mean. A broken cap on that?
Yeah.
You sure do.
You know what? Everyone complains about these. It's not just me.
Oh, fair.
Rub it into your fingers, and then don't plop it on your head. Take your fingertips and like go into your hair next to your scalp.
Okay, like this.
Yep.
Am I doing it right?
Pretty much. Now you get to take this. No. Tia.
Okay. Circle. Circle, 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 circle.
You're missing your side.
Circle, 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 circle.
Does it feel good? Is it like a...
Yeah, it's like a small massage for my scalp.
Yeah, that's what it's supposed to be like. Once you feel thoroughly clean, can rinse that out.
Do I get to wrap my hair in a dooga?
In a dooga?
Yeah, that thing.
Yes.
Sweet.
Alright. We're gonna condition We're gonna condition with the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Conditioner, 3-in-1. It's so right up your alley. We got all the
3-in-1.
all the stops.
Wait until you see my shampoo. It's a 7-in-1.
This is also really bad. I love their products, but their packaging is like really hard to get out.
5 minutes later.
Yeah. It's about an appropriate amount of conditioner for
Is
this hair.
Oh.
Do you see why I buy so much products?
Oh, that does make a little more sense now.
Sure.
That's a lot of conditioner.
Alright. So, we would normally start with the ends of your hair, but it's all on top of your head.
I got this. No, hold on. Ends of my hair. There we go. A little bit like right here.
Yeah, you got some fringe.
Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah.
Just go ahead and condition
Alright.
it. Oh, look how cute it is when you get it all fluffed up.
Oh, let's see.
No, show.
Oh yeah.
Best part, dooga time.
Pineappling, I got this.
No. Plopping.
Yeah, pineappling.
So take your fingers and try it your best to scrunch the ends of your hair.
Okay.
To like, oh gosh, like gently.
Jen.
Alright.
Okay.
So put your forehead right on this part of the top. It's not that hard.
It's okay. Boom.
Yep, exactly. And then we're gonna pull this backside over.
Oh, okay.
And I like to fold these little wingtips in. And then we take this
Hi, pumpkin.
and tie it around the back.
Oh, that
Pop
is.
your hair up.
I did do mamas.
Does he look cute?
Yeah.
I think so too.
Alright, so next up is the Robert hair routine. Let's go ahead and start by having you rinse out your hair.
Oh, it just went so cold. Why did it get so cold? Oh.
Need a little more heat in there, dear. Alright, now that her hair is sufficiently wet, we are going to use the Suave Professionals for Men 6-in-1 shampoo, conditioner, body wash, clarifier, shaving cream, and barbecue sauce. Just kidding. It's only a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. We're gonna go ahead and let's do about that much. Yep, just plop it right on. There you go. I'm just gonna kind of run it through your hair with your fingers.
All the way through my hair?
All the way through. Top to bottom, front to back, side to side. We're getting it all covered. For all you curly girls having a heart attack out there, I'm terribly sorry. How we doing? Alright.
My hair feels so dry. It's like so squeaky clean.
That sounds like it would be a good thing.
It's not.
Okay, fair enough. Now step 2, I'm going to give you this towel here, and you're just going to put it right over your head there. Oh, there we go. You're going to look like a cute little nun. I do this every morning. Just keeps me warm. It's very nice.
Alright, time for products. First, we're going to do the Curl Talk Curl Defining Cream, same brand. I really like trying to keep with the same brand throughout my routine. I don't always, but I like to try to keep the majority of it from the same brand. It seems to just work better, you know? Brands make products to work together. So this is a really easy routine if you guys are new to the Curly Girl method. The Not Your Mother's Curl Talk has the shampoo, the conditioner, the defining cream, and the gel. And that's... Don't make fun of my fingers. Have you guys seen this yet?
Yeah.
They might not have.
Terrifies me.
So then I take my plop off and I put some...
You sure it's not a pineapple?
Yes.
Okay.
And I put some defining cream in. I don't use very much. That'll be good for your whole hair.
Okay.
So just rub that in between your fingers mostly. I want you to just kind of go in next to your scalp and then like lift it up and just kind of...
You can open that.
Yes.
Am I lifting?
Yep, that's perfect.
Okay.
And then you're going to take it and do some praying hands. So it'll be funny for you because it'll make like a mohawk. So go like this.
Okay.
And then push your hands together. Yep.
There we go. Ooh, scrunching.
Yep, scrunch again.
Okay. Ooh. Got all that hair to scrunch.
And then the last product is the Curl Talk Not Your Mother's Frizz Control Sculpting Gel.
Ooh.
And just a little bit again. Probably like that
just a
much.
little dollop.
Yep, a little dollop. All we do is the praying hands. So
Okay.
just the praying hands swooshing. Yep, there you go.
I lost my pineapple.
That's your plop. It's okay. We don't need it anymore.
Okay.
This is your big moment. You gotta scrunch away.
All
Just
right.
scrunch it all.
Ooh, yeah. Gonna
Oh, don't
get
hurt yourself.
Oh. Alright, I think that's about all my hair will scrunch.
Okay.
Am I a curly girl now? No.
Is it my turn now?
Revenge, part 2. Your worst nightmare. So I'm going to use this straight comb here. Well, you're going to use it. And how I'm going to do my hair is just straightforward. Just straightforward. Get it all nice and flat.
Gosh. Do you start from the top or from the bottom?
About the middle, actually.
Okay.
So, beautiful.
I probably look like the Grudge.
You definitely look like the Grudge. Now that your hair is sufficiently combed out, literally also, we are going to use this $7 hair fiber cream that I got.
The cream and the gel that I used on you is also $7.99.
Go ahead. Nope, a little less. Scrape it off. There you go. Okay, that is a good amount. Yep, there you go. Work it into your palm, and then up into your fingers like this. For me, I'm going to do it pretty much just like this, where I'm going to swoop my hair off to the right. I'll pull this down, swoop it to the right. So you're going to pull it down. Oh yeah. And swoop it to the right. That could look worse. This is Robert's hair routine, and this is me as your new curly girl.
Your hair still looks perfectly fine.
I'll take it.
It won't curl no matter what we do. Like, no amount of scrunching did anything.
You could try finger coiling it. That might work.
No.
No? Okay. Alright.
Alright, so turns out that this wasn't that bad. But
Yeah.
it could be better. You want to fix this?
I think we should fix this. That's better.
Say the thing.
Oh, the thing. So, if if you want to support this channel, go ahead and like and subscribe down below. If we made you laugh, cry, smile.
But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Until next time.
Until next time, adios.